Hey everybody, it's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More, back with another video. So today I'm going to be flying the SkyStars 140. This is the drone build kit that I just finished up this last week. Now I did maiden it actually a little bit behind me in the yard just to make sure that it took off and that it hovered and everything like that. So I just did that for a couple minutes, but this is going to be the first actual flight. So I've got one of my Tattoo 450 milliamp batteries. And I'm going to go ahead and just take it up here. I'm going to go ahead and do one line of sight just so you guys can see, and then I'll hook up my goggles, and then we'll actually do a FPV session for you. So we'll go ahead and get this turned on, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we've got it turned on, so we're going to go ahead and arm it, and we'll take it up in the air here really quick. I'm going to try and keep it close, but just to kind of show you guys. Now this is just a 3S battery. I'm planning on getting some 4S batteries for this little guy, but let's do a punch out on in 3 seconds. So 3, 2, 1. Now it's got some power. Let's do another punch out. So definitely got a lot of power. Let's. I'm going to put it in horizon, and we'll do a couple flips. So we recovered very well from that. There we go. Alright, it's doing really good. So I'm pretty impressed with it. As you can see, it's kind of quiet, but it still has lots of power. I'm going to put it back in angle mode so you guys can, if I can keep it steady for the camera. But it's really nice. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with those antennas up top. I'm not sure if I want to maybe make them go straight out the back or something else. I'm not sure. But you can see this thing there. And I do have D-Shot, I think I've got D-Shot 300 running on this. And Betaflight 3.2.4. That's what I have all my drones is Betaflight 3.2.4. It runs pretty good. I like that version of Betaflight a lot. You can tell for those little motors, it's got a lot of power. It's not bad at all. So, and then we'll do a little yaw spin. Turn it down a little bit. See how fast those motors are, so that's pretty cool. Alright, well I think that's enough of line sight. I think you guys came for the FPV footage, as well as me. I want to see how it does on the camera now. I've adjusted the OSD. I only basically put the battery voltage on there. I don't put anything else. So, just what level I'm on, like if it's armed with angle mode or stability or acro mode. But yeah, let's go ahead and land it and put the FPV goggles on, and let's rip it around, see how it does.
Ignition off.
Guys, so I've got the quadcopter hooked up. I've got my FPV goggles going, and I'm going to go ahead and let's get this flight started up. So far, this little camera that it came with has got really good picture. I'm really happy with it. I'm not going to do anything super fancy like that, but I'm all the way at the end of my pasture, and I got a little bit of a couple of glitches, but nothing bad. And I got to tell you, the frickin' picture on this thing, I hope it turns out in the DVR so you guys can actually see it, but I'll tell you what, it's good. It's really nice. We'll hit the ground there. Let's give it some full throttle. There we go. We get some full throttle back. And I like that I have the crosshairs and I can actually see what I'm doing. Going between the campers here. There we go. That's what's nice about these small ones. You can actually get in those tight little spots. Go to my neighbor's yard over here. He don't mind. He's actually a subscriber of my channel. So yeah, I'm all the way at the very end. And just got a little bit of glitchiness, not too bad. But I tell you, that's one thing I really like, guys, is the camera on this thing is, gosh, it is just crystal freaking clear. I mean, it's not a run cam. It's just a fake little version of the run cam. But I tell you what, GearBest did a really good, or SkyStars, whoever made this model, they did a really good job on that camera. Because it is just really, really super smooth. Let's see if I can go around this tree over here. I'm kind of cutting out over there, but that's okay. There's a little prop wash there, but not too bad. Okay. Now my battery is yelling at me. It's starting to flash. Go between the trailers again. Come back around. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it on in next to me here and hopefully land it without crashing.
Ignition off. Oh yeah, that was the right switch.
I'll do a little spin yaw there, just to kind of show you guys the power that it's got. Yeah, the battery's low, I can feel it, so I definitely got to order some bigger batteries for this thing. I'm thinking about probably some 850 milliamperes.
Ignition off.
All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the short line of sight flight and also the FPV flight. It was just in my backyard, so I just want to kind of test it. But I got to tell you guys, I am thoroughly impressed with this little drone. It's got some freaking power now. It's got a 3S battery on it, so I might throw a 4S battery on there just to see how it does with that, and a bigger milliamps, so I get a little bit more flight time. But and this little camera on this thing, guys, it is insane how crystal clear in my goggles. And even with this little dipole antenna, I was all the way back there on the back of my pasture, and I wasn't getting very much interference at all. Very flyable, very, very nice, very steady. It's just, I give this thing a 2 thumbs up, guys. If you're going to spend money for a little 3-inch and you want something inexpensive that's easy to build, this is definitely it. I mean, this is an F3 omnibus with the BL Heli ESCs. I mean, it's just a monster beast of a little 3-inch. I definitely recommend this guy for beginner racer or even an advanced racer. This thing has got some get up and go to it. So guys, if you like the review of this little drone here, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me. I would appreciate that. And if you like my channel, if you like my reviews and everything, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and there's a little bell. The bell just lets you know when we've got new videos. I've got one on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every Sunday we have a live Q&A. So we will have our live Q&A just like every week. So thank you guys for all the comments, all the support, all the viewers, and especially thank you to all my patrons, which leads me to, if you're not a patron and you can help out the channel, check it out. There's going to be a link down there for you guys, and I will leave a link in the description for this kit as well. It's a great little kit. You did get it from GearBest, but definitely, you know what, it's worth it. I like it a lot, and I know I do reviews for GearBest, but this is one I bought for myself. I did not get this from them to review, so this is my own unbiased opinion, and I absolutely love this thing. It is a little ripper. So I'm definitely going to be flying this guy a lot more. So thanks guys again for hanging out with me, and in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's make sure to keep our drones up in the air, flying high, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.